And the theme of the webinar is make your startup fundable. So we come from the investment strategy domain, and we believe we've got the sense/science of making startups fundable, and that's what we built this program, close to a year old. Our first program was Saarthi VIP, which is for growth stage startups. Basically, startups who are looking at raising VC money. We saw a lot of startups trying to do them on their own. One founder dedicated full-time to looking at investments, and still limited success because finally you're not an expert in that domain. So that's the program we created for growth stage startups who are at a revenue of 1 crore, or who believe that they deserve that 3 crore to 30 crore funding, which normally VCs operate in. So our process is we encourage folks to take the 5-minute test on our website, followed by a strategic assessment, which we do 6 to 8 hours over 2 weeks. If there are no gaps, we give access to 30 to 50 VCs for a fundraise of 3 crore to 30 crore. And very soon we'll be sharing a good news from one of the top VC firms for one of the startups whom we are supporting to raise close to $2 million. And there is, of course, gaps found. We tell the startup, fill in the gaps and come back to us. So this saves a lot of effort also. So just imagine you are not ready for VC funding and you are pitching here and there. So I've seen the frustration with a few founders where they believe that it's not their mistake, but still they spend so much time on something and got zero return. And so that's what we help you save your time and effort and guide you if you are ready or not ready to face VCs. And therefore the probability of success improves. So doing that for almost 8 months now, we realized that still we were not getting the satisfaction. It's enough to tell a startup you're ready or not ready. Why can't we make startups fundable? So that's the idea which germinated almost 9 months back. We launched a program, and we believe it's the only program in the world to make a startup fundable with guaranteed valuation. Guaranteed funding at the right valuation. So it felt nice to create such a program because we were strategy consultants, and strategy being our backbone, we felt we can support a startup to first of all know. It's like saying if you cross mock IIT JEE 5 times, then your probability of success in the real JEE is a good 70-80%. So that's what we've done. We've created that mock JEE through this Minds program, where we first tell you to take the assessment. Now this again is for post MVP. I'll share the stage also later. We check whether you are investment worthy, that sector is investment worthy, and then we make you investment worthy, give you access to angel networks to raise average a crore plus rupees, and then followed by use that angel money to blitzscale, and then the same VIP, which we call platinum in Minds, we'll be giving access to 30 to 50 VCs for a fundraise of up to 30 crores. Again, there is exit everywhere, but this exit is good. Just imagine pitching in front of 75 angel networks, VCs, and then saying, I'm not investable. This exit is much better that you are pitching among a smaller forum, and you know what gaps you have to fill in to become angel network ready and to become VC network ready. So these are the two plotted. So you deserve angel money if you have a recurring revenue of close to 1 lakh INR or equivalent in terms of downloads, could be 50,000, a lakh downloads. You are able to achieve close to 1 crore annual revenue or 8 lakh monthly MRR, or equivalent in terms of downloads, say 5 lakh downloads. Then you are ready for the VC round. So this is our early stage journey zoomed in for you. Yeah. So, and it's a vicious come virtuous cycle. So you need money to grow. You need customers. So it's a cycle of growth, which will trigger funding, which will trigger new customers, which will trigger new growth. And either it becomes a positive spiral, which takes you upward, or at times it's a negative spiral where you are struggling to grow and therefore not able to attract the next rounds of funding. Yeah, so it's the only program in the world to make a startup fundable with guaranteed funding at the right valuation. So see, finally, it's a probability game. And if we are able to get a probability to as close as 1, that's the success story. And we believe we are in the journey. We are still at the 0.6, 0.7, but still we are claiming that if you join the program, we'll make you fundable. The time period is fungible. Time period will be depending upon your speed, your pace.
Correct. Yeah.
So these are the startups of cohort 1. We had 9 startups in cohort 1. Some were MVP stage, some were with almost 1 crore annual revenue also in this. So we had a diverse group, and still we were able to provide value to all of them because strategy was our backbone. So strategy was the core through which we addressed their value proposition, business model. Now we'll be getting into business development plan, then business plan and business pitch. That's the journey. So love to hear some of the founders share about the program.
Hello, I'm Suman, and I'm the co-founder of Expressions Learning Private Limited. We are an edutech company. I and my co-founder took the Sarthi Minds program, and it has been such an enriching experience for both of us. I am an educationist, and I am a man of content and domain expertise. I knew everything about the problems that we are out there to solve, and we have all the solutions for the students of our target segment. But we didn't have enough of clarity on how to package it into an attractive funding candidate. That is when we took Sarthi Minds program. What I like most about Sarthi was their fundamental proposition. You get your value proposition right, and the funding will. That's exactly what they did with us. They sharpened our value. Our mentor under the program, Mr. Sanjay, so quickly became our friend and a mentor both. And those structured exercises that we did under the program truly transformed the form and format of our proposition. And we suddenly looked far more prepared, far more confident to go out and face the investors. Team Sarthi has been truly what their name suggests them to be. Thanks, Sarthi, for everything they did for us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that's an EdTech startup. Sanjay was the mentor investor for that startup. So we have a diverse group. As I said, we have blockchain startups, we had AR startups, we had 3 health tech startups. So this is the startup, which is health tech, which will share about his journey.
Hi everyone, this is Rajesh, co-founder of LensInvest. Myself and LensInvest team is very fortunate to be part of Sarthi program. 3 things we like about Sarthi program. 1, setup. 2, mentorship. 3, guaranteed funding. Yes, you heard it right, guaranteed funding program. Setup is such that they make sure we find the value proposition of our startup. They and we strongly believe having a value proposition in your startup makes whole model sustainable. And they're very focused on mentorship. On top of it, they act as a co-founder, finding the investors. This program in India has such a confidence level that once your business has been identified and the value proposition is identified, we guarantee you funding. And they also involved in the funding process, which gives more confidence in pitch and also negotiating with the investors. Again, the LensInvest team and myself very fortunate to be part of Sarthi program. You can see a huge confidence rise in our team that LensInvest is going to reach minds. Thank you. Wishing good luck.
So these were 2 testimonials. There are more testimonials on our YouTube channel also. You can check it there. Yeah, so this is the team behind Sarthi Minds. Mr. Surya Narayan, who was ex-CEO NSRCL, and he's done 3 startups in pharma, taken 1 startup to IPO level. He's our core team member. He's not there today because he's busy. And Sanjay comes with a tech and investment background. He was into investment technology, and then he did his own startup in EdTech, and currently he's active angel investor and a part of a lot of angel network forums. I come with a leadership experience both in Fortune 500 companies and in SMEs, and I did my startup in PropTech, and followed by almost 4 years in Eleven. I ran acceleration programs, and for the last 1 year, I'm full-time with Team Sarthi. Sriram is a banker by profession in his past experience, and he comes with that investor lens of what investors look for. He's been critical in building our what elements at what stage are you ready for of the investment program, and he's also a marketeer. And Adil had his own startup in travel and tourism, and he's also a digital marketeer, again an active member of various startup forums. So we come with a lot of diverse experience. And we were the part of cohort 1 as mentor investors. Now, cohort 2 has Mr. Raghavendra Rao. Again, he's a part of NSRCL, and he's also quite active in the startup enablement system. There's Mr. Rajaram, who's again working in the US. So he's kind of actively employed in the US, and still he wants to add value to the startup ecosystem in India. Then there's Vinayak Khadke, who's worked in insurance tech and again did a startup of his own. And now he's in the enablement space. He's trying to build an angel network among his friends. So he's also part of cohort 2. Arjun Bala, who's here, is a patent attorney, and plus he's IITian also. And he's also worked with a lot of startups. So a lot of startups who are patent ready or looking for patents, he can give that value. That is, are you patentable, and can you derive value from your patent in terms of return of business? And finally, Ananya is our intern. She must be in touch with you through mails. So this is Team Saarthi in front of you. I've not got the photographs of cohort 2, but cohort 2 mentors would be Raghu, Rajaram, Vinayak, and Arjun will be the cohort 2 mentors. So that's Team Saarthi for you. Now, your journey in Saarthi Minds would be investment focused. The core is, what is investor looking for? And the good news is, if you've got investors, you also got extra minds to make you successful. It's a virtual program. So we've got startups from Indore, from Delhi, from various places. So there's very limited physical connection. That's what COVID has taught us, that you can add value from anywhere in the world to anyone in the world. And it's highly customized and personalized. So we're not fixing it as a 3-month, 6-month program and kind of guaranteeing you. We are saying, boss, your journey may take up to 36 months also, but we are with you in that journey to make you successful. We won't give up you. So I'll share how different startups were graded into silver, gold, platinum going forward. And it's a partnership mode. So we not only give you guidance, mentorship, or the strategy program, but we also put money into your startup along with the angel funding. So that's the mentor come virtual. You heard Rajesh how like we take care of all your investment worries and also your investment follow-ups. So you can focus on your business, because we saw 2 founders, one full-time giving to VCs or investments and still not succeeding. So we said, why can't we take away this? And we are the experts for this game plan. Yeah. So this is the journey. There are 3 stages in our program. Entry criteria is MVP, early revenue. So as I said, even if you have an MVP, you have 0 revenue, you are eligible, but the MVP should be there. And ideally, you should be full-time dedicated to your. You exit silver when you have a strong value proposition. You heard that again from the people, that's the criteria, that your value proposition is differentiated with competition. You're solving an unsolved problem, and your customers will pay you for solving that problem. So those are the checks we do through our templates. And that gives us confidence that you are ready for the angel round. In the gold stage, we'll be taking you to angel networks, where we'll help you raise from anywhere from 20 lakhs to 1 crore of angel money. That it might go up to 2 crore also, because normally VCs start with 3 crore upwards. So we'll support you to raise angel money. And using that angel money, you'll get traction of 3x to 5x in the gold stage. So that's your journey in gold stage. And then platinum stage comes when, okay, you've got that traction, you've reached that 1 crore annual revenue or 8 lakhs MRR, which you mentioned, and there's potential. We'll be taking you to VCs and supporting you to the institutional funding from 3 crore to 30 crore. So there's an entry exit criteria. It's that mock JE we built. No fun in rushing to a VC if you are low MRR or if you are low traction. Yeah, because it's like wasting your energy. So that's what our experience brings in on the table. So in the last cohort, 2 startups qualified for gold stage. So they're currently in gold stage. They'll be reaching angel networks through us. And 5 startups qualified, 3 startups qualified for silver stage. And the rest, actually, there were gaps. What Adil mentioned, we give you gaps. So we created a new stage for them called bronze stage. And we said, you can be a part of the second cohort. And the cost also will come later. So that's how we divided your journey into different stages. End goal being VC funding of 3 crore to 30 crore. And this is the 3 stages in detail. The first silver stage may take 2 months to 12 months. So as I was mentioning, we've seen startups move in 2 months only from silver to gold. Objective is to have a differentiated value proposition, which our templates will throw. So we had a pitch event 3 weeks back where we had 5 angel investors from outside, and 6 of us were also there. And we evaluated the startup and we chose the best to move from silver to gold. End game, as I mentioned, is 1 lakh MRR and gives us confidence that you are ready for the angel round. We charge stake for this 1% if you spend 6 months in silver or less than 6 months, 2% if you spend more in silver. Fees is nil for 2 months. So first 2 months is kind of a discovery period, which is a part of the silver only, where we are kind of understanding each other also. And we are also understanding whether you've got a strong value proposition, differentiated value proposition, and accordingly we'll move you to gold. Every 2 months, you'll get a pitch opportunity. So people who are in silver, they'll get another opportunity to pitch to gold in the next 2 months. So every 2 months you get opportunity, and you'll see other startups move in, and you'll also know what gaps you need to fill to move into gold at that pitch. Yeah. So we actually give a report card. We gave 3 report cards to startup in the last 2 months, identifying their gaps, and it's laser focused. You fill this gap, you are ready for the next stage. Yeah. Then comes the gold stage. As I was mentioning, there are 2 startups in the gold stage. Duration can be 3 months to 12 months. In the middle of gold, you'll be getting opportunity to pitch to angel networks, where you'll be raising average 1 crore money, which will show that even what we believed is investable, angel networks are also investing. Along with angel money, you'll get 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs from us also, from this mentor investor pool, to at the valuation of the angel networks. So that's how we become your virtual co-founders, we become your investors in your game, and therefore marry our success with your success. Yeah. So we charge a stake of 1% for gold stage and for the first 6 months, if you spend 6 months in gold, 2% for 12 months. So that's how, if you take more time in the program, the cost also increases. And fees again is nil for 3 months, 15,000 per month or 30K bi-monthly 10s. And every 3 months, you'll get opportunity to pitch to platinum. Yeah, and you'll see someone going ahead. You'll see someone getting gaps to work on to go ahead. So what more can we bring into the table for a startup if he's either moving ahead or he's getting clear gaps to work on to move ahead? Yeah. And finally, platinum stage. This is what our expertise in. We've got relations with almost 60, 70 VCs. And our commitment to them is we'll be getting them investable startups. That's why we get a early access to them, because they understand that the startups we bring them are vetted, are investable, and Saarthi has worked through them either through the VIP program or the Minds program. And of course, objective is to get you a valuation of 10 crore plus. We don't charge any stake for this for 6 months. If you spend 1 year in platinum, then only we charge a 0.5% stake. Fees nil for 3 months, 30,000 per month ends. So as the effort increases for us, we will also be having a cash fees coming in. And continuously, you'll get opportunity to pitch to VCs and either get investment or get clear feedback. Okay, come after you reach this downloads, or come after you reach this MRR. So because we've got relations with VCs, we also get feedback from them, which is rare in the startup ecosystem. This is a 3-stage program. I've converted to a grid for people to understand. So as I said, it's a customized program. So there's up to 36 months a startup can take in this program. Startup can finish it in 8 months also, or even less. And we have success stories in less than 8 months. We are confident from the first cohort itself. So if the startup takes only 8 months or less, equity given to Saarthi is only 2% and 0 cash fees for the program. Journey 2, he takes more time. There'll be 2% equity, 70,000 for the entire program up to VC funding. And like that, there's journey 8 also, where says if you're taking a lot of time, you'll spend 36 months, there'll be 4.5% equity, and there'll be up to 5 lakh of monthly fees accumulated over 3 years' time. Yeah. So this is how we've customized the program based on the startup speed and his filling the critical gaps. So these are the 3. I'll come to Q&A in the end. Let me complete it, only 2-3 slides more. So as mentor is investing his own money, he's like marrying his success to your success. And normally mentors bring in domain experience. Also, he brings in expertise of other mentors. So first startup, we were 5 of us as mentor investors. Although I was the lead mentor for a startup, if I had a marketing challenge, I would bring in Adil, or if I had a investment lens challenge, I would bring in Sriram or Sanjay. So that's how we were a team wanting to make the startup successful with diverse backgrounds. Additional discretionary funding. The good news is that this program has attracted good interest. So people from my network, people from our network have said that I want to be only investor. I don't want to be mentor because I don't have time. I'm employed in Hong Kong or employed in the US. So we are building a pool who's going to invest along with our mentor investor money, because they're seeing confidence. Yeah, this guy's putting his money also, time also, I can tag along with him. So we are seeing interest from folks who want to become only investors. And we'll be signing a consolidated agreement for 3 years. Key goal is to make you fundable at a valuation of 10 crore plus. So this is the program. Any questions, or can I go into the details of the Minds program? Any questions till now?
I have a question. So this 8 lakh plus MRR. So how you came?
Thanks. Bye.
Hi, everyone.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.